Hey there, going live. A really boring Facebook Live. I really don't have anything interesting to say. I'm tired, exhausted. All is good though. It was one of the smoothest international flights I've ever been on. Headed to Chennai, sharing the stage with Mohammed Katani, and I got nothing interesting to say. So I was like, why not do a boring one? So, if you're watching this, how are you? These water stations are getting more and more popular, I guess, where you bring your own BYOC, bring your own container. If you're following along, these are my prescriptions that I can barely see. Well, that's an exaggeration. But little blurry, old prescription, since I lost my glasses just before I left. Crazy. All right, getting off the escalator here. I think it's 4 in the morning back in the US, but just thought I'd do a Facebook Live for a random reason or no reason. Have a great day. Keep smiling, keep laughing. Appreciate when things go smoothly. Saw Green Book, by the way, on Michael Haig had recommended it. So I was like, I don't know, but Michael Haig recommended it. He said it's good, so I watched it, and it was really good. If you haven't seen Green Book, check it out. See you in Chennai.